Now, many of you know I use flat bars a lot. Matter of fact, I carry 3 different types: Dent Dial, Anaconda, and PDR Finesse. But in this tutorial, or this type of explanation, I'll be using the Anaconda and Dent Dial. It's going to be just a little bit of tutorial showing how I got this dent out, and obviously how I removed it using those flat bars. I think you'll find it interesting. Let's check it out. This video is brought to you by Dent Specialists International. Go cordless or go home. Dent Gear. Paintless dent tools, lighting, and accessories. And Kiko. Everything PDR glue pull products.
Alright, not much access in here. Let me go in and check this out. It's got this composite or metal liner in there that blocks access to me to get to this part right here. Now I can go right here, this open hole with a rod, but when I get to this point, it's very, very difficult to push out. It's completely open underneath. Let me show you. Okay, see that? It's open, but so how am I gonna get leverage? Okay. This one's not going to be too bad because we can pop up on this and get to this whole area through a rod or even a flat bar, but we'll get to that dent later. My main concern is this deep part right here. How am I going to get that leverage? Well, after playing around, I found I'm using the small 22-inch dent dial on this one, and I've got the sled on the back, a roller sled. This is where I tighten it, and then here is a leather pad, which works very surprisingly very, very good. It pushes very well without making marks, and we're going to try to demonstrate that right now. So this is the first bar I'm going to use. This is a 22 light. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it in from behind, okay, and I'm going to wedge it up here, and this point you see right there is my point of contact, and I'm going to simply just work it like this, okay, from the inside. So I got a little bit of that, and I'm not going to push it right because I want you to see what it looks like with the board on there too as well, and from a different point of view.
Once I got the dent dial finally set up, which does take a little bit longer than the Anaconda, it really does pay off getting it set up well. I can get a lot of leverage, push on this dent very comfortably without using a lot of energy. This is the great thing about these flat bars. This dent dial worked wonders with that leather pad on the back. It really, really helped me, and I was very, very happy with this results.
So far, so good. I was able to take this part, stick this up like this, and work it, take the pressure off of this crown right here. It's really what I want to do. I'm not really trying to go in there and finesse everything out because it's got crowns down here and it's got a crown up here. So, you know, my main point is I want to take the pressure off the crowns. If I try to knock down the crowns at first, I put divots, knockdown points in it, and that's not going to work.
Now the tool tip I'm using is a Dentcraft R4 with a cherry tip. Make sure you ask for the cherry tips. It's about $5 for 100 of them. But more importantly, I'm not going to be able to release this dent without popping down those crowns. Those crowns hold the majority pressure of that dent. Just because you have the Anaconda or the dent dial isn't going to be the answer to your prayers. You're still going to have to go back to the fundamentals and knock down those crowns, as you can see here, which will help relieve the stress and make your life a lot easier as you push up the dent. I like to use the soft tip tap down so I don't create, and I repeat, don't create more work than normal. You definitely don't want to put a lot of sharp little divots.
Alright, so what I got now is the Anaconda. Got a tip on the end. This rubber tip is very, very good. It's soft, but it's hard enough to push a lot of that that dent out. So let's peep it out, okay?